Good morning, students. Students, we shall discuss about how English exploited Indians and which type of development occurred in that time. English exploited the Indian resources. They used to produce goods and sell them in Indian market at a high rate to get maximum profit. In this time, Dhaka, Krishnanagar, Varanasi, Lucknow, Agra, Multan, Lahore, Surat, Ahmedabad, etc. were the main trading centers of cloth industries, and Surat, Goa, Machilipatnam, Dhaka were the centers for ship building. Britishers needed raw material for India and England. So, link of roads were built and also repaired harbors of India. Establishment of railways was a revolution in India. Development of communication and transportation made people of the country come closer, and they also understand each other feeling too. It led to the feeling of nationality. In 1853, in India, telegram was started and postal service improved. Now let us discuss about the effect on education. Before the establishment of company rule in India, the ancient system of education existed in India, in which subjects like Sanskrit, Arabic, Parsi, grammar, literature, law, logics, astrology, etc. were taught. Government has given land for establishment of schools and maktabas. Britishers snatched these lands. They started new education institution. Among them, the main were Fort Williams College at Kolkata and Sanskrit College in Banaras. In these institutes, along with Indian languages, history, law, Urdu, Western scientific studies also had their place. According to Charters Act 1833 in India, in this system, the two main motto was study of English and farming of students' psychology in favor of British rule. People like Raja Ram Mohan Roy, who was a social reformer, was in favor of the new education system. He thought that with the new education system, Indians will know about new technology, freedom, equality, and democracy. And so it was a boom to national agitations. uh, we will discuss about education system in Chhattisgarh. According to Marchles Educational's playing planning in 1864, a middle school was started at Raipur. Today it was known as J. N. Pandey Multipurpose Higher Secondary School. In 1882, Rajkumar College was established at Raipur, where princes of Indian kings came to study. For higher education of common people, Chhattisgarh College was established in Raipur in 1938. And now discuss about development of press. In India, newspaper in English, Bengali, and Hindi was published, which had a severe impact on the Indian people. Uh, Vernacular Press Act was imposed by Viceroy Lincoln in 1878. Its aim was control over the newspaper. At that time, popular newspaper like the Hindu, the Indian Mirror, Amrita Bazaar, Patrika, Kesari, Maratha, Swadesh Milan, Prabhakar, and Hindu Prakash, etc. were published. Development of press in Chhattisgarh. Pandit Madhavrao Sapre was the father of journalism in Chhattisgarh. In 1990, journalism started with Chhattisgarh Mitra being the first newspaper in Chhattisgarh and was published as newspaper, which was named as Praja Hitaisi. Other than this, Hind Kesari, Chhattisgarh Vikas, Uthan, Alok, Mahakausal, Congress Patrika, आजकल छत्तीसगढ़ केसरी were the other important newspaper. Through this newspaper, people were enlightened and had a better vision. Okay, students, today I have completed this chapter. Be safe, be healthy. Goodbye. Thank you, my dear children.